Welcome to our today's lesson. Today we are predicting the question on vectors to form 3 work. Our question of the day reads that in the diagram below, vector OA equivalent to vector A, vector OB equivalent to vector B, and points P and Q are cited. AP equivalent to 2/3 AB, OQ equivalent to 1/3 OA. So writing those fractions there, AP is 2/3 of AB, which means here is 1/3. Then we have been told that OQ is 1/3 of OA, which means here is 2/3. So that when we add 1/3 plus 2/3, it becomes 1. Here is 1/3 vector A, 2/3 vector A. Our first question is that express OP and PQ in terms of A and B. So vector OP is the same as OP is the same as OA plus AP. Now OP is the same as OA, which is vector A, plus AP. AP is the same as 2/3 vector AB. Vector AP is the same as AO plus OP. This will be the same as AO is going against the given direction, so it will be negative A plus vector B. This will give us vector B minus vector A. So AP is the same as 2/3 of AB, which is vector B minus vector A, which gives us 2/3 vector B minus 2/3 vector A. In this case, so AP is 2/3 vector B minus 2/3 vector A. OP then is the same as A minus 2/3 vector A is 1/3 vector A plus 2/3 vector B. For this case, we will now have, this is now our OB. We move on to PQ, which is the same as PQ, which is the same as PO plus OQ. In this case, PO is negative P, because we are coming against the direction, plus OQ, which is 1/3 vector A. Now PQ is the same as 1/3 vector A minus vector B. We move on to the next question. OC equivalent to HOB and BC equivalent to KPQ. Express OC in 2 different ways. Hence, Roman 1, deduce the value of H and K. Let's write OC in 2 different ways. The first route we will use is this one that we have been given, so that we will be able to use H. So we have OC is the same as HOP. Now we have OC is the same as H into OP. OP is here, 1/3 vector A plus 2/3 vector B. OC is equivalent to 1/3 H vector A plus 2/3 H vector B. That is one way of writing OC. The other way of writing OC is the same as OP plus BC. In this case, OC is the same as OP, which is vector B, plus BC, which is K vector Q. BC is K vector P vector Q. PQ is 1 over 3 vector A minus vector B. This will give us vector B plus 1 over 3 K vector A minus K vector B. Having this, this is OC. OC now will be the same as vector B minus K vector B plus 1 over 3 K vector A. OC is the same as 1 minus K vector B plus 1 over 3 K vector A. So we have written OC in two different ways. Now, the following, to get value of H and Q, we will now to equate this value of C, this one, and this other value of C. So we will have 1 over 3 H vector A plus 2 over 3 H vector B, this one, is equivalent to this other value of OC, which is 1 minus K vector B plus 1 over 3 K vector A. Now, equating the ones for A, we will have 1 over 3 H vector A is equivalent to 1 over 3 K vector A. A is common on both sides, so we will have 1 over 3 H is the same as 1 over 3 K. Multiplying this side by 3, multiplying this side by 3, we will have H is the same as K. Now, we move on now. We have equated the ones for A and A, so we equate the ones for B. So it will be 2 over 3 B H B 2 over 3 HP is equivalent to 1 minus K vector P, this one. From there, we drop P because it is common on both sides, so we will have 2 over 3 H equivalent to 1 minus K. But here, we have been told that H is as good as K and K is as good as H. So in place of H, we can introduce K, so we will have 2 over 3 K is the same as 1 minus K. Bringing to the other side, it becomes addition. When you add K on the other side, you will have 5 over 3 K equivalent to 1 times 3 over 5 times 3 over 5. K is the same as 3 over 5. But here, we have been told that H is as good as K, so that means H is also the same as 3 over 5. Moving on to the next part of the question, we have been told that express OC in terms of vector A and vector B. Now, OC, we have been told that OC is the same as 1 over 3 H vector A plus 2 over 3 H vector B. This is when we were given here, OC is the same as that. And so now, but we already know H. So this OC can be the same as 1 over 3. In place of H, we write times 3 over 5 vector A plus 2 over 3 times 3 over 5 vector B. This will give us, when you multiply this, it will give us 1 over 5 vector A plus 2 over 5 vector B. Now, we have been given here, we were told here that PC is KPQ. So what is the value of K? 3 over 5. So here is 3 over 5. And the total is 1. And so here will be 1 minus 3 over 5, which is the same as 2 over 5. So here is, so the ratio of PC to CQ is the same as PC is 3 over 5 ratio 2 over 5. Multiply by 5, multiply by 5, and you remain with 3 ratio 2. That is our lesson of today. Until next time, goodbye. Remember to subscribe and comment and recommend a friend to come and learn with us. Thank you.